Hello guys, welcome to this video guys, and to this video we are going to discuss the Java data types, and we have this example for our data types. We have integer is the whole number, which we use n for this, and then we have floating numbers. The data type we use is float. Then we have this value. Character we use char. Then this is the value. We have single quote, and then boolean. We have this boolean data type and this value true or false. And the string, we have the string data type and the value with double quote. So guys, we have divided into two groups for the data types. We have primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So what are the primitive data types? So this is includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char data type. And for the non-primitive data types, we have string. So this is non-primitive data type, arrays, classes, and we have so many examples in this chapter now, or in this discussion natin. So for the primitive data type, which is a primitive data type, specifies the size and type of variable values, and it has no additional methods. So for example, so ito yon. So we have this data type na byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char, which is the 8 primitive data types, no? 8. And then we have this size, no? In data type na byte, we have this 1 byte, short for 2 bytes, int for 4 bytes, long 8, float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes, boolean 1 bit, and char is 2 bytes. So we have this description naman, no? So is pag yung data type is byte, it stores whole numbers from negative 128 to 127. Pag short naman is stores whole numbers from negative 32,786 to 32,767. So and then ito naman yung sa end, sa long, sa float. So ito yung float. This is used for decimal points. And then we have double for fractional numbers. And then boolean for true and false. And char for the single character or the ASCII values. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you learn a lot, and see you in the next video to learn more about Java programming. And if you love this video and helpful to you, you may hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in this video guys.